Here you will see my Dawn theme is creating a section for me. Let's learn how you can do it. You have seen the new horizon theme, which contains the option of the block, in which you just give the command and the AI will give you the section in just a few minutes, and it is only available in horizon. So today we are going to add that functionality to our Dawn theme. Yeah, we will do it with the code, but only 2-3 lines code. Pick any Dawn theme in which you want to add that functionality. Just go to three dots, edit code, as the my code is already open. So here you just have to search the custom, go to the custom liquid file, just scroll little down, and here we're going to write a little code. Just write the blocks. One more line. Here you have to write @theme, and here you have to write @app. As our block is created, so we have to just call it. So you just write here content for here you will write logs. After that, just save your code. In your customization, you have to add the section. Yes, we have created the block, but it is present in custom liquid section. So we have to just add that. And here you will see the option of add block, and here you will see that option generate. So we are going to create any section like image slider and just press enter. Now you can see your code is getting generated by AI. So using this, you can add this functionality to your Dawn theme and make your work easy. So this is all about. Thank you.